Hey guys, how's it going? Guys, you guys are going to love this recipe. This is Indian restaurant style lamb biryani recipe that I've made. This is delicious my way, guys. So this is enjoy this recipe, but I've also gone the extra mile and I've also shown you on this one how to cook some Madras curry sauce. Check it out. Lovely. And I'm going to have that with the lamb biryani, guys. So enjoy the recipe and look forward to seeing you on the next video. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this week's video. It's Babul here from the Bengali Cook. Guys, this week I've got a very good recipe for you. It's going to be lamb biryani, and I've also decided to make Madras curry sauce to go with it. So lamb biryani, just like the Indian restaurant style. So let's get cracking on. Before I do that, guys, you know what to do. Hit that like, subscribe and comment below, as we love engaging with you. So yeah guys, so lamb biryani, let's get it on. Right guys, we're going to cook lamb biryani today. So first thing we're going to do, we've got our new pan. So we're going to use this today. We're going to use some butter ghee. Doesn't want to go in, so never mind. We've got some pre-cooked lamb. What I'll do, guys, with the ingredients, I'll put it on the list in the description box, as well as I will go through them as we cook. Well, I'll tell you what, one of the important things we're going to be using is we're going to be using this brand of the biryani mix, which is here, along with our mix powder. I've got some cumin powder, and I've got the other bits and pieces I'll go through with you. So first thing we're going to do, guys, once the oil is heated, what I like to do is get the lamb straight on. So here's my pre-cooked lamb, just one portion. Let me get that on there. Well, it's one good portion, good sized portion. What I'm going to do is just slightly put the heat up. I've got my curry sauce here, well, base gravy rather here, and I'm going to use this pan to make the Madras sauce. So we'll get our biryani going first of all. We've got some pila rice here too. I'm going to keep the lamb pieces whole. In the restaurant, what we tend to do, we tend to cut these or make them smaller just by, well, with the aluminium spoon, just by cutting it like that. There we go. What I'm looking to do here, guys, is lightly fry the lamb, and it's going to give it a really nice taste, and the texture comes out really good as well. So as you can see, let's see, this one here. So you can see it's, oh, there it dropped, never mind. Let's put that back in and wash my hands again. So I like it to be slightly charred as it is, lightly fried. And now let's get everything else back in. Just a tiny bit of quarter spoon of garlic and ginger paste there. And add that part, there it is, it's gone in now, great. You can use oil if you want to. Okay, our service onion, one good tablespoon. You can use freshly chopped onion if you've got them. If you haven't got the service onion, which is absolutely fine. slightly down the heat. Right. What I'll do now, I'll show you. Right, so as that's cooking, so this is mixed curry powder. So again, I'm going to use this one. Depending on how much the quantity you cook in, so I'm making one restaurant size portion. So this is 1/4 of a teaspoon. This is cumin powder. With the lamb, if you use cumin powder, it gives it a really good flavour to it as well. So again, that was just under 1/4 teaspoon. This is the REAL BIR Biryani mix. So this is going to be 1/2 teaspoon. So just get that in there. Right, so you know me, I like my curries to be hot with dishes, so I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. If you don't want to, guys, you can miss it out. And I've also got a couple of chili. Just going to put it like that. And I'm going to give it a good mix. Give it a nice little mix, and I'm also going to add in some tomato puree. There we go, about 2 teaspoons, and again this is just going to help the spices and so forth cook really well, so let's do that. Pinch of methi, get some coriander in there, and this is typically our Indian restaurant style biryani done, guys. A spoon. So what I'm going to do now is add in our pillar rice. So again, I'm just making it for myself today. So again, 1 restaurant size portion. Give it a nice mix. Taking it off the pan, so I just don't want to squash the pan. It's new, so I'm trying to keep it alright. Okay, there we go. Gently. That's how we mix it. So let that cook. Let's leave that there on low heat as it's done, and let's get our Madras curry sauce on the go. Oil, 1 chef spoon of oil. Lovely. Don't forget, guys, if you guys are getting value from this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, comment, and share it with your friends and family, guys, because we could do with more people supporting our channel, which is, thank you. Right, so Madras curry sauce, so what we're going to do. Is add in a bit of ginger garlic. Good chef spoon of tomato puree paste. Good pinch of methi. So I'm going to use 1/2 teaspoon of mixed powder. And I'm also going to go with 1/2 teaspoon of chili. A little lemon juice. Your base sauce, curry sauce going. Yeah, might as well chuck this in there. Got it there. Chili, some coriander. There we go, done. Right, now let's get our pan back. Leave that there. So that's done. Final piece now, guys. What we're going to do now. Again, we're going to add just a quarter of the biryani mix. And just take it off the heat because our lamb biryani is done. Check it out. This is how simple it is, guys, to cook Indian restaurant style lamb biryani. So I've shown you how it's done. It's based on my experience. So what we're going to do now, guys, just to make it more restaurant style, let's go with adding, well, without plating it up, we'll just go in there. Add our cucumber. There you go, we've got 2 pieces, why not? Make into a circle, shall we? There we go. There we go, how's that? Zoom in for you. Bang. Restaurant style lamb biryani right there, guys. Right, let's get back to our Madras curry sauce. Let that just come to a boil now, and then it's done. How long is that taking, guys? Less than 13 minutes. One of the things with Indian restaurants, as you know, everything's pre-cooked, guys. So when it comes to cooking it, it's literally quick time. There we go. That's a nice thickness to it. If you want to make it, if you want to obviously have more, guys, more sauce, add more sauce. If you want to make it thicker, you can do. If you want to make it into a vindaloo or a jalfrezi sauce, whichever sauce you want to make it, guys, carry on. We've got loads of recipes on our channel. Look through them and you'll be able to see them. There we go, done, guys. So I'm going to plate these up and enjoy them. Before I do that, I'll obviously take some pictures for you guys. Let's have a look, shall we? There you go, guys. This is the end product of our restaurant style lamb biryani, as well as I've made a Madras curry sauce to go with it. Piping hot, just made it richer now. Guys, enjoy the recipe. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, comment below, let us know what you think, as well as, guys, share our recipes and channel with your friends and family, or anyone really. Share in your socials. So I shall see you on the next video, guys. Lots of love. See you soon.